Hey people, so this particular video is special because that's my child. He's trying to we follow this philosophy of trying to do some kind deed every single day, and today my child is see, that is a fighter fish. It's called a fighter fish, and my child is very particular about cleaning this tank. We did not choose to get this aquarium, but my child is taken it on himself to clean the fish tank. After this, you'll have to go and rinse through the water. Yes, my son, but just why don't you take the fish bowl down and then do it on the ground, Cuckoo? No, I will put it down, then you also be on the down, okay? Beta, because you are too tall. Move. Wait, I'll put it down. I get scared, sweetheart. Wait. Let me do it. Okay, here. Put it down. Did you wash your hands before doing it, or is it all chicken type hands?
I washed my hands with the...
Okay, fine. Okay, now put it in.
Okay.
Where is it? Okay, there it is. Okay, Ayush, now clean these two things, please. Yes, just go rinse it, because when you do a job, when you do something, do it completely. Yeah, take it one at a time. Go in the sink, please, and meanwhile I'll monitor these two.